THINKDIAG is a versatile, portable and durable diagnostic tool for mechanics, dyers and repair shops. You can perform OBD2 diagnostics tests via Bluetooth with your smartphone. THINKDIAG is totally different from other OBD2 dongles on the market that only perform emissions-related functions. It generates multiple data streams in a graph for a visual comparison to help you understand more about your ride. When a fault lamp lights up, you can identify the cause and clear the code with one touch. When car owners are unable to resolve a problem, mechanics can perform remote diagnostics with THINKDIAG. THINKDIAG is an original equipment-level diagnostic tool that is on par with professional equipment that cost over $3,000. It comes with support for 115 car brands. THINKDIAG supports 16 maintenance functions such as battery matching, engine oil lamp reset, brake pad reset. Mechanics can perform actuation tests on individual actuators to identify the cause of a malfunction. THINKDIAG replaces other tools that only works for specific models. Instead of using different, expensive tools for each car model, repair shops can now work many car brands with just THINKDIAG. When a mechanic needs to provide roadside assistance, they can go on site with THINKDIAG and their smartphones in their pockets, instead of carrying bulky diagnostic tools. It is easy to use THINKDIAG. Download our free iOS or Android app and turn your smartphone into a professional diagnostic tool. We have over 95% of car models in the market available in the Think store. The THINKDIAG app goes beyond diagnostics. Our users share their experiences with ThinkCar products and their rides in our thriving app community, Think Moments. Unlike traditional tools, THINKDIAG makes car diagnostics and maintenance more convenient and efficient. We put a lot of care into the product design and product durability because we believe THINKDIAG will be a valuable tool for automobile repairs. We are experts in car diagnostic tools. We want to produce a more advanced product for professionals and car enthusiasts. Back us on Kickstarter and bring THINKDIAG to life. THINKDIAG. Turn your smartphone into a professional mechanics diagnostic tool.